What is up, YouTube? This is the third and final part of our 3-part series where we fished this one private pond. Once again, I accidentally clicked turn off again. I'm being so for real. But we have old trusty Senko. So okay, let's get it. Did I just click off? That's hilarious. Very poor action. Well, let's get on old trusty. Great on the Yamamoto Senko. Last time I went here, I broke my nice rod, but it was my favorite rod. Lifting up the fish, and it just I thought she was sinking. I thought the Yamamoto one sink faster. Oh, got one. Thank God. Finally, guys. Took us a hot minute. Well, not like freaking 20 hot minutes. Dink. But I'll take it. Look how thick that tail is. Not ain't bad. If you see it bleeding, it's because, I don't know, I must have gotten a blood vessel or something, but I did not gut hook it. Absolute tiny type, but. Free, buddy. We're fishing a Senko. One cast in, that's a third of what we've caught all day. I don't know what it is about a Senko, but I just love it. Water is a little chilly. I hope this is a Yamamoto one because they sink so much slower. I feel like this isn't sinking that slow. Or sink so much faster, I mean. This isn't, but we'll be alright. I'm not going to be too picky. For the shallower stuff, this is actually, you don't want it to sink so slow. I think a lot of these guys are out deeper. Get it right. Snip. Golly, guys. Pitiful, pitiful fishing right here. Come on. I may have to buff off the Yamamotos. It's because they sink faster. I don't know. I feel like we should be able to get one. is what it is. Caught one quickly. This isn't too bad. Lost my lure. Then we missed one. Missed another. It's just gone like this, but we're gonna get up and move. We're gonna start just moving. This is gonna be god awful camera right here, but just gonna have to bear with me, guys. Tired. 5 minutes for one fish. The one time I do a full video, it's just complete butt cheeks. But no profanity in the comments. Nothing like that, guys. No profanity. If you're gonna comment ideas, make them clean, but yeah, try to keep it clean. Family friendly channel. Okay, we shouldn't be getting in here. Come on. Oh, yep. Oh, gosh. Come back for it, buddy. Dude. Gotta be kidding me. Just had one. Yep. Here we go. That's not too bad. There we go, guys. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good fish. That's a good fish.